Alright, in this video we're going to go through the sheet setup process for a 2D drawing. We're going to start by hitting Control N to open up a new SolidWorks file. This one is going to be a drawing, so double click on that. I'm going to zoom in here. We're going to click on a custom sheet size. Okay, we don't want to use one of the default ones. We're going to click in this circle right here and then change these values to be 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Okay, you need to make sure that you type inches at the end, otherwise you will not get the right paper size. Okay, when I click that, it's going to show up and say this is a model view. Okay, we don't need this right now, so you can click the red X to exit out of that. And then you should have a paper right in the middle here, blank paper. Okay, to add the grid, we're going to go up to our toolbar on the top. So go to the little arrow, and then you can pin that in place if you want with this pin. That'll keep it there. Next, we're going to go under Tools, and then all the way at the bottom, we're going to click on Options. Okay, we're going to switch tabs here. We want to go to the Document Properties, and then down to Grid/Snap. Okay, and we're going to change the display grid. Okay, we want that to be on. We can keep those two on. And then here, whatever number this says, we're going to change that to, say, 1/2 inch. Okay, so 0.5 inches. And then we can leave those things the same also. Okay, so you should have these three things checked. This should say 1/2 inch, and then 4, and then 1. And then we're going to click this button at the bottom that says Go to System Snaps. And you just need to make sure that all of these are checked. Okay, they probably all are, except for this one. Okay, so this grid box is usually unchecked by default, and we're going to check that to make it so that we can snap to the grid. Alright, once you have those all checked, then you can click OK, and you should get a paper with the grid layout on it.